Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet this beautiful teardrop earring. I have got a request a long time ago to make a teardrop earring, so I am making it now. For this project, I am using a 3-ply cotton yarn and 2mm crochet hook, a cutter, tapestry needle, earring hook and 2 different sizes of jump rings. So first of all, wrap the yarn around 2 fingers like this, and with the help of crochet hook, pull the second yarn through first one. This is magic ring. Now make chain 1, go into the ring and then draw a loop. Pull the yarn through these 2 loops. This is our single crochet stitch. Now make single crochet 2 into the magic ring, single crochet 3, single crochet 4, single crochet 5, single crochet 6, single crochet 7, single crochet 8, single crochet 9, single crochet 10, single crochet 11, and then single crochet 12. So after making total of 12 single crochet stitches, pull the starting yarn end to close this magic ring. A little hole will be made. Now make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch, and our first round is completed. For the second round, make chain 1 and then chain 2, which doesn't count as anything. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the same stitch and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Now make another double crochet stitch into the same single crochet stitch. Now go into the second single crochet stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into it. Then go into the third single crochet stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Then go into the fourth single crochet stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. So in this way, make 2 double crochet stitches in each of the single crochet stitches except the last one. So I have made all double crochet stitches here. Now last single crochet stitch is left. To make a teardrop shape, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times, go into this single crochet stitch and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops, then through other 2 and then through other 2. This is our treble crochet stitch or a triple crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn 2 times again and then draw a loop by going into a stitch and pull the yarn through 2 loops 3 times to make a triple crochet stitch. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2. Wrap the yarn twice again and go into the same last single crochet stitch. Make a triple crochet by pulling the yarn through 2 loops 3 times. Make another triple crochet stitch into this same stitch. Now you can see a drop shape here. Now into the very first double crochet stitch of this round, make a slip stitch, and our second round is also completed. This is a very simple and basic pattern for beginners. Now make chain 1. We would work only in the back loop of stitch. You can see here is the front loop, and we would skip front loop, going into the back loop only make a single crochet stitch into it, then go into the back loop of second, double crochet stitch, make a single crochet, then go into the third stitch, make a single crochet, work only in the back loops, go into the back loop only of every stitch and then make a single crochet in it. Repeat this pattern all around till the chain 2 space right here. So I have made single crochet only in back loop of every stitch in these 2 treble crochet stitches also. Now in this chain 2 space, make single crochet 1, single crochet 2 and then single crochet 3, because in the middle single crochet, which is second one, we would join earring hook. Now in the back loop of next treble crochet stitch, make a single crochet, then into the second treble crochet, make a single crochet only in the back loop, pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and then remove the extra yarn strand. Now we would weave this yarn end on the back side while attaching it to make a chain loop. So go into the both loops, pull the needle through both loops of first single crochet and then pull the needle through only back loop of last single crochet stitch, and then in this way a perfect chain ending will be found. Now make a knot like this way, because stitches would not get loose by making a knot with the help of needle, and then pull this needle through some single crochet stitches, and now we would weave the starting yarn end with the help of needle into some single crochet stitches of first round also, and now cut these 2 yarn strands and we would join our earring hook with the help of jump ring. First of all, we would use this bigger size jump ring and we would attach it into the second single crochet stitch into this chain 2 space, which is the middle stitch. Now use the smaller jump ring. Benefit of using 2 jump rings is that your earring will be at the right side. Using only 1 jump ring, earring goes on the wrong side, but using 2 jump rings, earring will be on the right side while using. So now our teardrop shape earring is ready. I hope you guys like this tutorial video of earring. So if you like it, give it big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to get more tutorial videos like this. Press the bell icon to get notifications of future uploads also, and share this video with family and friends. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye.